If you've ever wondered what it feels like to drive the future, the 2026 Ferrari 2096 GTB might just be your answer. It's not just a car, it's an emotional experience wrapped in Italian artistry and race-bred engineering. This Ferrari doesn't scream for attention, it whispers power with a grin and then roars when you ask it to perform. The 2026 GTB represents a bold shift in Ferrari's vision, blending electric innovation with the soul of a traditional supercar. It's powered by a revolutionary 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 engine paired with a plug-in hybrid system. Together, they unleash a staggering 819 horsepower, enough to launch the car from 0 to 100 km/h in just 2.8 seconds. But raw speed is only part of the story. This car balances precision and agility with a level of control that feels almost intuitive. Whether you're carving through winding roads or opening it up on a track, the 2096 GTB responds with razor-sharp intent. Visually, the car is pure Ferrari elegance with a futuristic edge. Its proportions are compact yet muscular, with sculpted sides and a flowing silhouette that feels like it's moving even when standing still. The aerodynamic lines aren't just for show, they're finely tuned to maximize downforce and cooling, giving the car a performance advantage without compromising its beauty. The front end is low and sleek, while the rear features a striking active spoiler and minimalist light bar that perfectly tie together its modern aesthetic. Step inside and the driver-focused cockpit continues the theme of blending tradition with innovation. Everything is clean, sharp, and purposeful. Ferrari has dialed back unnecessary distractions, putting everything the driver needs exactly where it should be. The materials feel rich, the digital displays are crisp, and even the paddle shifters carry that satisfying metallic click that reminds you this is a machine built for passion. The 2026 Ferrari 2096 GTB is a masterclass in evolution. It honors Ferrari's racing DNA while confidently stepping into the hybrid era. It doesn't chase trends, it sets them. For those who crave a visceral connection with the road but also care about what's next, the 2096 GTB is not just a great Ferrari, it might be the most important one in years.